got the chain command. So if you want to use one pierce and cut out multiple pieces, can reduce number of pierces that you need to do. So if we want to use one pierce and cut to cut these two pieces here, we'll go to the chain command. You can specify what sort of cut quality that you want to use on the cuts between the parts, which you can do either rough or extra rough typically, since you don't care so much what that quality looks like. And now it's prompting me to select parts, so you just click on the parts that you want to connect with the chain. So you can we'll click on this one, and when we're done, just hit enter. And enter again. Now it says specify points, so essentially wants to know, right now it's a little bit deceptive because it's got this red line going from the outside of this cut to the inside of that cut. That's not actually what it's going to do. It's going to try to go from the end of this cut to the start of this next cut over here. So essentially wants to know when it's done over here doing the lead out, where do you want it to go. So you might want it to move a little bit away from the part, so you can click up there, and then can do more if you want to, otherwise hit enter. And then when you exit out of the command, it'll draw that connection line between the two pieces, so the jet will stay on and come over to here and then lead in. So obviously if you're going to do that, you want to optimize your placement of your leads. So we'll just use our delete command on these two, get rid of those leads, and we'll just put in new leads now. So we'll put one here. If I select my snaps, we can put one here, we can put one here, and then we'll just hit close. We'll go back to modify and back to chain, and we'll just stick with extra rough this time. So we'll click on this part, and then hit enter a couple times, and then specify point, which this one here, we're just going from the end of the cut here over to this cut here. We can just hit enter. So and this will be the lead in, and then this red line is the lead out, which is then connecting with what was the lead in before. So that's the chain command.